Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall GA4 audiences and retargeting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling GA4 audiences and retargeting, log into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section located at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the admin panel, make sure you have the correct properties selected for which you want to manage audiences. Click on the Audiences option under the Property column. In the Audiences section, you'll see a list of all your created audiences. Locate the audience that you wish to uninstall. Once you've found the audience, click on the three vertical dots icon next to it. From the drop-down menu, select the Delete option to remove the audience. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the audience. Click Delete to confirm the action. Once the audience is deleted, it will no longer be available for retargeting purposes. Next, navigate to the Data Streams section under the Property column. Select the data stream associated with the audience you just deleted. Scroll down to the Tagging Settings section to manage your retargeting tags. Identify any tags that are linked to the deleted audience. Remove these tags by clicking the Delete icon or adjusting your retargeting settings accordingly. Next, go to Google Ads if you're using it for retargeting purposes. In Google Ads, click on Tools and Settings in the top right corner. Under the Shared Library section, select Audience Manager. In the Audience Manager, review all audience lists you are using for retargeting. Delete any audience lists tied to the GA4 audiences you have just uninstalled. Finally, review your overall retargeting strategy to ensure that everything is set up correctly. Make any necessary adjustments for optimal performance moving forward. You have now successfully uninstalled GA4 audiences and completed the necessary steps for retargeting management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.